Nike Marketing Strategy 2024 to 7 Effective Findings from Case Studies. Nike has taken an image of an athleisure company and an American multinational corporation, but the brand has taken away the world with inspiration, emotion, diversity.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
And unity with its simple marketing campaigns. The core purpose of Nike Marketing Strategy is to keep moving the world forward. Over the years, it has launched and introduced various stylish and sustainable services, from remembering the swoosh and the tagline, "Just Do It," which does not only come into our mind. About Nike. Known as one of the largest athletic apparel companies, Nike Incorporated, is an American multinational association that deals with the design, development, manufacture, and global marketing and sales of footwear, accessories, apparel, equipment, and services. Began with a mission to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. It is based in Beaverton, Oregon. Nike Incorporated includes the Nike, Converse, and Jordan brands, and many more. It was founded by Bill Bowerman and his former student Phil Knight in 1964. History of Nike. It was founded in 1964 by Bill Bowerman, a track and field coach at the University of Oregon, and his former student Phil Knight as Blue Ribbon Sports. The brand was rebranded in the 60s. Their company was relaunched as Nike in 1971. In 1972, Blue Ribbon Sports, which later became Nike, unveils Moon shoes. In 1974, the waffle trainer was patented, featuring Bill's famous waffle outsole. In 1982, introduced the Air Force One basketball shoe. In 1994, Nike signs LeBron James. In 2000, launched Nike Shokes in the market. In 2008, introduced the Flywear shoe and signs Derek Jeter. In 2018, introduced React Element 87. Nike launched a new "Just Do It" ad campaign featuring Colin Kaepernick. In 2020, Nike Air Max 97G Peace and Love was introduced. It also reveals uniforms for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Nike's target audience: athletes, professionals, and enthusiasts. Running enthusiasts, sports enthusiasts, women in sports, young athletes, sustainability advocates. How Nike's marketing strategy evolved. The early years. The birth of Nike. The "Just Do It" era. Digital transformation. Emotional branding.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal. And if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.